girl, your memory starts to float. Baby, why'd I ever take the bait and take you places that I love to go? Hell, I'll never know. I even took you to my hometown to meet my mama. Now I'm gonna see you every time I see that welcome sign.